Hello and welcome to tutorial number 4. In this tutorial, we want to change the config file of A-SLOTH to change the general behavior of the code. In this case, to output additional information so that we can trace the baryonic evolution along one of the branches. So to change the config file, we open it. It's our A-SLOTH.h. And in this tutorial, we want to activate the option output gas branch. And right, in this config file, in principle, you can also activate or deactivate other compiler flags depending on your desired behavior. And now we need to make clean and make again, because now we changed the configuration. So we need to compile the code from scratch. And once we have done this, we can run the code just as before and wait for it to finish. And the code has finished. Now we can have a look at this directory and see there is this new file tgas substep where we save all the baryonic information over time. So in principle, you can look at this and analyze it with your own tools, but we also provide a script to visualize the results. To use this, we first need to set the output folder in the script. So let's go into the script folders, utility plot tgas, and let's find at the very bottom, we need to set the output folder to the one that we just created. And now we can run this script with Python 3. And it should generate this new PDF. Let's wait. All right, let's just check. Exactly, the PDF is probably inside here. And this PDF should look similar to what we have provided here in the tutorial. Again, it might depend on the random seed sampling, on the random seed on the random sampling, which might depend on your computer architecture. But in principle, it looks sufficiently similar. So here in this tutorial, you have seen how you could generate and visualize the baryonic content over time, but more importantly, you have seen how you can modify the config file by activating or deactivating some of the compiler flags. That was tutorial number 4. Thank you very much.